First things first with brewing a pot of coffee with a drip brew such as this. Typical dynamics of any drip brew coffee pot, you've got a place in the back for water. And here you can see how much water you're putting in. Put it in the back here. So any pot, any brand that you're going to have a place for water. You're going to have a basket that comes out. This one comes out like this. You're going to have a place here. It's like a hot pad with a carafe. This basket here, usually there's like a liner, and then the basket. The basket's got an area down below that pushes in to brew the coffee. That's where the coffee comes. So this contraption here is where you put all your coffee grounds, and in the back is where you put the water. So step one of any coffee process is making sure this is squeaky clean, this is squeaky clean, and this is squeaky clean. We clean our stuff in the evening while we're doing our dinner dishes, so this is all ready to go in the morning. So step one, keep things nice and clean. Step two, fill your carafe with water. Here we go, nice cold water. We went to 12. We're going to open this up. We're going to pour this in. And we're going to set it on the bottom where the hot plate is and shut this. Step three, measure your grounds. A good place to start is this. So this is 12, right? So what we usually do is go by half, which is 6. So what we do is 6 scoops, and then because we like things strong, we go to 7. So because we like things stronger, we add another scoop. So what I suggest as your starting point is take your ounces of water, cut it by half, and that's how many scoops that you need. And then if you like things a little stronger, throw in an extra scoop, and maybe even a few other beans, extra change, we like to say. So now we're at that step with the beans. We use whole beans and we grind them every morning. We sometimes have pre-ground beans, it makes things a little faster, but you know, ground beans dry out real fast. So like I said, 6 plus 1, which is 7, and then we have 2, 7. And then I just do a few extra beans, extra change. Step 4, grind the beans. Oops, sorry, it's a little early. Okay, we have a grinder here, just a tipple grinder, and it grinds when you hit this. And what I do is I count to 12 and shake. 12. Hit it, and go 6 more. You're gonna see that things are really fine. So put the basic, the bottom basket in, you put the fine liner, and then you put a coffee filter. This kind of basket needs this kind of filter. When you go to the store, there's going to be 2 kinds of filters, this one and a cone one. So know which basket shape you need and get the right filters. So you nestle that in, and you pour, and then here's a trick that someone told me. Salt, a sprinkle, whoop, just a little dash. It mellows out your coffee and brings out the flavor. And shut the basket. Any coffee maker you're going to get, be sure to read your instructions. They're getting really, really complicated here. Look at all these buttons, right? We always have ours on bold, because again, we like things strong. And there's a button here, nice and big, that says brew. So hit brew, and you hear a beep. And with this machine, it'll beep when coffee is ready. Okay, I just heard the beep, beep, beep. It means my coffee's ready. There you go. So I hope you have learned your 101 on coffee today so you can brew yourself a nice cup of joe. And we'll see you next time on the next